In the past 20 years, the way we grow greenhouse crops has changed drastically. Today, our sector is still in a state of flux as we face some major challenges. The world population is growing rapidly, and by 2050, we will need twice as much food as we do today. At the same time, our natural resources, such as energy, water, phosphate, and agricultural land, are being depleted. So for the generations to come, we will have to change the way our food is produced. Governments are responding by developing and enforcing legislation to reduce or eliminate greenhouse waste streams, which makes it even more important to recycle resources. The dynamic horticultural market is also affected by trends such as internationalization, expansion, and growing purchasing power. Consumers are also becoming increasingly aware. They're opting for affordable, high-quality products that are healthy and tasty, but which above all are sustainably cultivated, all of which puts pressure on our sector's profitability. Increasing yields and reducing costs are no longer our sole concerns. Growers must now more than ever live up to society's expectations. To feed the world and remain profitable, yields must continue to increase, but we must do this in a sustainable manner. In other words, we must strive for minimum input, maximum output. But how? The answer is precision growing. Precision growing helps growers to use energy, water, nutrients, and land in the most efficient and effective way. In today's advanced high-tech greenhouses, there are three factors that have the greatest impact on a crop's quality and yield: climate, root zone, and genetics. The more accurately these factors are aligned, the more efficient and effective a crop's cultivation will be. A crop's genetics is one of the factors determining yield and quality, and it also determines which cultivation strategy should be used. The greenhouse climate influences irrigation. Fluctuations in temperature and energy-saving measures such as screens impact the amount of water and nutrients a crop needs. With precision growing, Grodan focuses on steering the plant growth from the plant's root environment. A plant's growing medium is very important because everything that takes place in it has an impact on the plant's roots, and the plant's roots are the basis for a healthy crop. Grodan develops sustainable growing media that make precision growing possible. These solutions are made of stone wool, which is produced from a natural rock, basalt. Grodan growing media is free of pathogens, weed seeds, and residues of disinfectants. This guarantees a clean start of the cultivation season and enables 100% recirculation of water and nutrients. It also enables growers to easily measure and adjust the balance and availability of the crop's nutrients from the very start of its cultivation. Grodan has been developing products and advice for maximum control and irrigation efficiency for many years now. Irrigation water, for example, can be distributed throughout a substrate to resaturate a slab. It can be used to refresh the nutrient solution, or it can run directly into a drain. Grodan solutions enable growers to optimally control these aspects, so as to reduce their consumption of water, nutrients, and energy throughout the cultivation season. Until the 1960s, most growers grew their crops in greenhouses in soil. With a crop like tomatoes, this led to yields of about 20 kilos per square meter. The discovery of the advantages of cultivation in stone wool substrates enabled growers to increase their yields to about 40 kilos of tomatoes per square meter. Thanks to precision growing techniques, this has now risen to about 65 kilos per square meter. With the ongoing development of precision growing, Grodan and its chain partners are helping growers to achieve even higher yields and even better quality with progressively less input. As other factors such as climate and genetics also play an important role in precision growing, Grodan works closely together with growers and partners in the chain. The expertise and experience that are exchanged with those parties are translated into user advice based on the company's 6-phase model. This is tailor-made to meet individual growers' specific needs and conditions. It enables growers to get the most out of their crops at the lowest possible costs, so that they can ultimately offer consumers the tastiest, healthiest, and most sustainably grown vegetables. And that is precisely what precision growing is all about. Precision growing for sustainable cultivation and a sustainable future.